Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you three Excel functions with which you can analyze your data. So here, the first function is filter function. So using this filter function, you can analyze your data by applying a criteria to your data. So you can filter your data by applying any criteria you want. And the second is sort function. Using this function, we can sort the data by ascending or descending order. And the third is unique function. So using this function, we can list out all the unique values and remove all the duplicate values. So first, let us look at the filter function. So in filter function, I want to filter my representative data because here you can see using the representative data, I want to filter my data here. So I want my sales data and city name here using the representatives here. So I want to apply the filter function for my representatives here. So let us see how this filter function works. I'm writing the filter function. So I will select the entire array and include. So in place of include, we want our representative data, right? So what we need to do here, we need to select the representative column here and equal to, if the representative column is empty, we need to tell Excel that give me data for this cell reference, which is F1, right? So here we need to remove comma. So here you can see we got the representative. Excel has filtered the details for this representative. Now suppose if I change the value here. So for example, if I type Vikram Setu, here you can see the Excel is filtering my values based on the criteria I have given here. So this is the criteria and this is the value which I am asking Excel to give me, right? So here I will type one more name and here you can see Excel is filtering my values based on the criteria given here. So this is how you can use the filter function to analyze your data. Now coming to the sort function. So here I want to sort my uh, data based on ascending or descending order. So let us see how we can do that. Is equal to sort is the function, and here we need to select the entire array, which is this one, and in place of sort index, so sort index is nothing but the columns. So this is one column, this is index column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3, right? So here we need to enter the index number but not the entire data. We need to enter like 1 or 2 or 3, right? Based on the number of columns we have, we need to enter the column number here. So here I want to uh, sort my data for my representatives. So here I will take 1 as my sort index because this is what I want to sort my column 1 here. So again, sort index is done. Next, we need to choose whether you want to sort the column 1 ascending or descending. So I will choose ascending and close the bracket and hit enter. And now you can see Excel has sorted my values as in ascending order. So here let us remove this first column and select only this one. And now you can see Excel has sorted my values in ascending order. Now if you want to uh, uh, sort the values in descending order, then double click on this and close the bracket and hit enter. And now you can see Excel has sorted my representative values in descending order. Now if you want to sort your sales values, so what you can do is you can simply, in place of sort index, we need to give 2, and if you want to sort it ascending, then select 1, close the bracket and hit enter. And now you can see our sales values are getting sorted in ascending order. Now if you want to sort your sales values in descending, just include -1 here, and you can see our sales values are getting sorted in descending order, right? So in this way you can sort your data by descending or ascending order, right? So this is how we can use the sort function. Now coming to the last function, which is unique. So unique is nothing but it will give you the unique values and remove the duplicate values. So let us see how it works. Unique. So and here in the place of array we need to select the our entire array here and close the bracket and hit enter. So let us remove this thing here, right? So here you can see Excel has given me only the unique values because this column has few duplicate values here, right? So let us see what are the duplicates. So let us apply the conditional formatting. So here you can see Excel has removed all the duplicate values which are in red, and it has given me only the unique values, right? So you can use this unique function to get the unique values. So these are the three functions in Excel which you can use to analyze your data. So filter, sort, and unique. So I hope you understood these functions. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. I will answer them. And if you find this video to be useful and informative to you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.